Let's learn some lo-fi neo-soul guitar chords. All you need is this one note. That's the main thing, this G sharp. We're gonna play that G sharp note. That's our anchor for the day. It's gonna connect every chord and every idea we have today. I'm gonna give you 3 different chord progressions that you can use, take it, pocket it, put it in your back pocket, you know? So this is the first one, E major 7, C sharp major 7. The reason this works is just the 1 to a 6, 1 to a major 6. So E is the home bass. If you're wondering what that means, check out this video on the number system. All right, let's give it a little pop. Nice little rhythmic variation. Woo. That's our second idea. Let's go to our third idea. One, 3, 2, 4, minor 4. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this interesting, check out these other 2 videos. Thank you so much. Take care.